Today I want to share with you a new resource provided by Library Services for our secondary students. It's located in the Library Resource folder, and it's called World News Digest. Alphabetically, we're going to look at the end of our screen. This is the current icon, which may change to something that looks like a globe in the next few weeks. Once you enter this resource, you're going to be prompted with a screen that looks like this. It's asking you to go ahead and create a personal account. The benefit of this account allows you to save information for you to use later or to refer back to things you have searched for before. To create your account, hit sign up. Go ahead and put in your Northeast student ID information and go ahead and create a password that's easy for you to remember. You want something that is associated with Northeast ISD. Once you're done, hit create profile. Now that you have your profile, you should see this resource recognize you when you log in. Take a few minutes to visit with your librarian to find out more information about all that this resource provides. Thank you.